Hi YouTube, and welcome to Working Class Education. Today we're going to be playing a little bit on the table saw. I have a rigid table saw. It's a hybrid saw. Got it from Home Depot. I've had it for about 4 years. Pretty happy with it. But that's not what this is about. This is really about the TS aligner and using dial indicators. Focus. Anyway. I'm trying to make a 4.5 inch wide board. Let's see if I can do all this one-handed. So for accuracy, always use a test piece. Just have a scrap board here, waste. These are my cheapos. I have some really nice ones at work. We'll be talking about those some other time, but my cheap ones get the dust on them, and they're pretty damn close. So I got, you probably can't see it, but that's 4 and 5/68. Let's go to the other end, 4 and 5/71. 4 and 5/70. So I need to move that about 70 thousandths, right? Need to make this board 70 thousandths smaller to get it to be exactly 4.5. This little doohickey is actually for aligning your table saw. This is a dial travel indicator or a plunge indicator. And this measures, each one of those tick lines is 1 thou. It's got a 1-inch throw on it. This little track here has 3 wheels. The middle one's offset, and you can adjust that. So there's no, I gotta tighten that a little bit, but there's no play in it when you adjust that in the T-slot. So what you do is you align your blade with your T-slot, and then you align your fence with your T-slot, and then everything should be perfectly parallel. That is the one thing I'm not too happy with this saw about. It just gets knocked out of alignment all the time. I'm thinking about putting a different fence system on it. I've been meaning to do it. I've been putting it off. But for our purposes here, that's pretty damn close, isn't it? You know, the parallelism is off probably 10 or 15 thou, which is fine for little short stuff like this, but you know, I'm going to be doing 8-foot things, and if you're off, you know, 1/10 of an inch, well, what's 100 of an inch or whatever you call it, then, you know, by the time you get to your 8 feet, you could be off 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 inch, whatever. It's just not, it's not as precise as I like to be. But anyway, there's lots of little tricks to moving your fence exactly 70 thou. So, but this thing just makes it perfectly easy. I get this on eBay, by the way. I don't know if they make it anymore. They probably make something similar. And if I was skilled enough then, I would have, as I am now, I would have just made one. It's just literally just a holder that rides in the track. So I put this on 0. You don't have to put it on 0. You can put it on whatever you want. Loosen my fence and just tap it in till it moves 70 thousandths of an inch, or that's 7/100ths of an inch, or 0.07 inch. So that's pretty darn good. So there you go. I just moved that fence exactly 70 thousandths. That's how you do that. Talk to you later.